83,000 children from 144 countries. Kailash Satyarthi gave a wonderful speech that we heard today. Mom, Vibha nodded. Okay, tell me about the various things he spoke about. So now, up to here, I will explain today. So listen carefully. Now, you understand what is the scene here? Vibha and Vishal. Vishal, a student, he was just discussing more detail related to Kailash Satyarthi. With whom? With his mother. Actually, in the morning assembly, there was a speech related to Kailash Satyarthi. And now he said, yes, mom. You remember actually on that day when Kailash Satyarthi's speech and program was there on TV, and actually on that day we are gone out for some work. Okay. Now we have said yes, son, right. But I read about him and remember a few things about him. And after Vibha, the mother said, yes, son, but I know that more details about him. And she said about Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi, he was born on 11th January 1954. Where? At Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh. And later he attended the government boys higher secondary school there, and later he has completed his electrical engineering as well as postgraduate degree from where? In Bhopal. And after few years, Kailash Satyarthi worked as a lecturer in college in Bhopal for a few years. But later, in 1980, he has given up his career. He has left everything and became the Secretary General of Bonded Labor Liberation Front. Secretary, you understand, who has more details related to any organization. And after Vishal said, yes, mother, I agree, I understand. He was very much activist. He was a social activist for more years. And after Vibha said, continued, that he has been an activist against child labor and has always fought for children, right? And after that, mother Vibha said, Kailash Satyarthi, who was an active member, social activist member of which related to child labor, means against child labor, not only against. He protested child labor means what? Child labor motto purpose that children should not be age of 14 should not be forced to do any labor means any work below the age of 14. So that he protested, and he has protect more than 83,000 children from 144 countries, not only in India, other countries also. And he has saved 83,000 children. Can you think about? And after Kailash Satyarthi gave a wonderful speech that we hear today, mom. And after that, Vishal said, what we have in the morning assembly, we had heard the speech of Kailash Satyarthi. He said more detail related to child labor, and I am very impressed with him, what work he has done for us. And after Vibha said, yes, okay, tell me more about the various things he spoke about. And after mother said to Vishal, tell me more about what? More about Kailash Satyarthi, what he said on speech when after receiving Nobel Peace Prize, what he said. Can you tell me more? Okay, up to here I had explained. Some part left of 13 and 14, some part left. Okay, that I explain tomorrow. Okay, thanks.